In this video, we're diving into how to remove a green screen using Capcut on PC. We start by opening Capcut and importing our videos, one with a green screen and a background video. The background video goes on the first layer of the timeline, with the green screen video above it. Select the green screen video, then head to the top right to the Video tab, and under it, choose Cutout. Here, you find and enable the Chroma Key feature. With the Color Picker tool, click on the green screen area. You also can pick any other background color, but green screen is best because it is not usual color on characters. Now, the key part, adjust the strength slider to remove the green screen. Usually, halfway works well. You might need to tweak the shadow settings for a perfect blend. After these adjustments, play the video to ensure the green screen is gone. The second, even more simple method is to use the auto cutout function at the bottom of the settings. This allows us to remove any background with a single click. That's all. Easy, right? I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. Thank you for subscribing and leave a comment if anything interests you. Also, check out other interesting videos from the Extra Income channel.